New to Facebook and not sure where to start? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and this video will be our beginner's guide to Facebook, teaching you all the basics you need to know when you start out using the platform. This video will demonstrate using the mobile app, but all the same features can be accessed on a tablet or computer. Now let's get started. If you haven't created your account yet, check out our tutorial on how to create a Facebook account first. To get into Facebook, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your email address or phone number that you used to create your account, then enter your chosen password. To view your own Facebook profile, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap your name at the top. Here you'll find your own profile page with your information and posts. If you'd like to update your profile with a new photo or information, tap Edit Profile. Here you can edit your profile image, avatar, cover photo, bio, and personal details like where you live, where you work, or your relationship status. If you've added any friends already, you'll also see some of your friends listed on your profile. To add someone as a friend on Facebook, tap Friends in the bottom menu. Here you might see a list of people you may know. If you see someone you know listed here and want to add them as a friend, tap Add Friend below their name. If someone has sent you a friend request, tap Friend Request to view it. Then you can choose whether to accept or reject the friend request. Be careful to only accept friend requests from people you already know. To find people you know and want to add as Facebook friends, tap the search icon in the top right corner. Then type in the name of someone you want to find. If you need to narrow down the results, you can filter by city, school, or workplace. When you find someone you want to add as a friend, tap Add Friend. They will then receive your friend request and can choose to accept or reject it. When you've added friends, you can see your friends' post on your Facebook timeline. Tap Home in the bottom left corner to view your timeline. Scroll through to see posts that your friends have recently shared, along with occasional posts from pages that Facebook thinks you might be interested in. If you haven't added any friends yet, you'll mostly see suggested posts. If you see a post and want to respond to it, hold down the like button to add a reaction. You can then drag your finger over the reaction you want to add. The options are like, love, care, laugh, wow, sad, and angry. If you'd like to add a comment, tap Comment. Then you can type in what you'd like to say. Keep in mind that comments are not private and can be viewed by anyone who can see the post. To post your comment, tap the blue arrow on the right. To create a post of your own, tap the Home button in the bottom left corner to bring you to the top of your timeline. Then tap What's on Your Mind. Here you can write out a post you'd like to share. This will be visible on your profile and in your friends' timelines. If you'd like, you can attach a photo or video, tag a friend, add a feeling or activity, check in at a location, and more. When you're finished, tap Post to share it. That does it for our beginner's guide to Facebook. Facebook also has a messaging system called Messenger where you can chat with your friends. Check out our beginner's guide to Messenger next to learn more. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.